ICP-USDT Overview. Disclaimer. This analysis is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Analysis cost. To keep this channel growing, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Trading style. Spot. Target time frame. Approximately 1 month between take-profit targets. Entry levels. 4.477 to 8.121. Take-profit targets. Target 1. 13.955. Target 2. 17.124. Target 3. 19.983. Target 4. 23.441. Target 5. 28.229. Stop loss level. 2.648. Secret to trading success. Look carefully, avoid rushing, and trade using simple tools like trend lines, price channels, support, and resistance. Trade with me. Recommendation. After reaching a take-profit target, move your stop loss to your entry price or the last take-profit price to protect profits and limit losses if the market changes direction. Entry tip. Enter the trade after a pullback. Disclaimer. This analysis is provided for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice. We wish you successful trading.